Close your eyes now and allow yourself to notice the rhythm of your breath. The inhale arrives, the exhale flows, and with every cycle, your body remembers safety. Imagine yourself as a green tree. Your roots extend deep into the soil, anchored, nourished, unshakable. Your trunk is strong, centered, and steady. Your branches reach outward, sensing the winds, yet your core never moves. You are sensitive, yes. You feel the breeze. You hear the whispers of the forest, but you are not carried away by them. They move around you, not through you. Now, imagine a soft golden light forming around you. It begins at your heart, expanding outward, until it surrounds your body, 3 feet in every direction. This is your energetic boundary. It is not a wall. It is a living membrane, intelligent and discerning. As you breathe, whisper inside yourself, "My energy is my own. I radiate without leaking. I feel without absorbing. And as those words echo, notice how your field strengthens. Emotions may pass by like clouds, but you remain the sky, still and clear. Anchor this now by placing one hand on your solar plexus and feel the warmth of your own touch. From this day forward, whenever you bring your hand to your belly, your subconscious remembers, I am a master in my energy. I choose what enters. Take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. And open your eyes, carrying this mastery with you.